Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Opera GX tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to add Discord to the sidebar in Opera GX. This is actually quite simple. First I open Opera GX and here we can already switch to the settings in the sidebar on the left. Here we stay in Basic, scroll down until we reach Sidebar and click on Manage Sidebar. In this menu I can add various apps to the sidebar. And here I also find Discord, and if I check the box, Discord is added to the sidebar in Opera GX. By the way, if you are wondering how this works in Opera itself, the simple answer is that the function is not integrated there. If I call up the same menu in Opera, I unfortunately cannot find and add Discord there. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!